Welcome to Lesson 9, 1000 Words for Beginners. We will learn another 40 words together. From this lesson, we will also learn the irregular verbs, and you will always have 3 forms of the verb. Infinitive, the past simple tense, and past participle, which is used in perfect tenses or in passive voice. Feel, felt, felt. Feeling. I feel good. It feels good. Passport. May I see your passport, please? Or may I see your passport, madam? May I see your passport, sir? Talk. You can't talk to him. Hear, heard, heard. Sorry, I can't hear you. Around. You have to go around the house. Whose? Whose car is that? Is it yours? No, it's hers. Friend. You should tell your friends. Boy, boyfriend. My boyfriend lived in Iceland. Girl, girlfriend. We want to have breakfast with our girls. Control. I would like to control my feelings about him. Pass. Can you pass me those books, please? Ketchup. Mayonnaise, or informally, mayo. Would you like ketchup or mayo? Week. They should be here next week. Weekend. At the weekend. What did you do last weekend? Understand, understood, understood. I cannot understand who paid for it. Ready. Are you ready to leave? Prepare. It was prepared for Julia. Call. Marta is calling. Phone number. Excuse me, I didn't hear your phone number. On the phone. David is on the phone now. Put somebody through. Put, put, put. Please, can you put me through to Mr. Smith? Through. We have to go through the park. O 0, nil, which is used in football matches and as a score, or love in tennis. Number of your room is 209. In, out, out of, she's out. Take it out of the bag. Piece. I wanted to order 30 pieces. Inside, outside. I like to be outside. Indoor, outdoor. She doesn't do indoor sports. Up, down. Please put your luggage down here. Luggage, baggage. I have only 2 pieces of luggage. A scoop of ice cream. Can I have 3 scoops of ice cream? Bag. Where did you buy that bag? Hand luggage. Carry-on luggage. Is this your hand luggage? Boarding pass. Here's your boarding pass. Line. We had to wait in the line. Change. I would like to change my life. Job. Martin doesn't have a job now. Madam, sir. Excuse me, sir, your dinner's ready. Mr. Jones, Mrs. Jones, Miss Jones, Miss Jones. Could you ask Mr. Jones? Tea. Can you make a cup of tea for Lucy? Bring, brought, brought. Who brought the ketchup?